If you're running a code in Windows PowerShell and it don't execute your program, then it must be like machine policy, user policy process, and all these things are undefined. So for that, you need to put get execution policy list, and then just write, hold on, if I hit enter, it is asking me to allow, but it's saying the execution policy helps protect you from script that you don't trust. Changing the execution policy might expose you to the security risks. So if you want to execute your query, then you click on yes to all, otherwise no to all, because it keeps you safe from malicious script that you don't want to run on your system. Okay, so I don't want run, so I'm just clicking on no to all.